Hello, this is Daryl for Thursday, the 14th of April 2016. This is the DE Market Summary. So today, the market closed mixed. So today, what we had is the Bank of America reported its earnings today. So this whole week, as we said before, there would be the financials would be reporting their earnings. So today we had Bank of America reporting its earnings, and its results was well received by the market. And why we know it was well received is because its stock increased. And why it did that is because it met investors' expectations. So, and its shares rose 2.5% to $14.14. So it was a very big surprise for investors and analysts who thought, who didn't really think it was going to report as good as it did, and therefore then the market to rise. And it really helped the whole market as a whole. But not all the news from the financials today were positive, because today we also had Wells Fargo coming in with a disappointing report today. It reported that its profits fell, and the reason why it fell is because it had to use a lot of its cash to cover its struggling portfolio of oil and gas loans that it gave out to oil and gas companies. And so because of that, its stock slipped 24 points, or 24 cents, sorry, to $48.79. So not all the news was positive, as because we know the start of the year was very rough, with oil prices being down. We had banks being affected because they, like Wells Fargo here, they are connected to the oil companies by providing loans and other banking services to these oil companies, and so they are directly connected to what's happening with these oil companies. So what did we have with the markets? Well, we had the Dow Jones average up 18.15 points to 17,926.43. So the Dow was up today, closing the positive. The S&P 500 as well, closing the positive as well. It was up 0.36 points to 2082.78. But the one that was down, our index that was down today, was the Nasdaq. And the Nasdaq was down 1.53 points to close at 4945.89. So a mixed close. And we noticed too that the S&P 500, it was up, but not by much. It was just 0.36 it was up. So all in all, it was a surprising earnings report for investors, because coming in this earnings report, investors were skeptical. They were thinking that it was going to be a lower than expected earnings report because of the start of the year that we had. But we have been pleasantly surprised. Yeah, most of the financial companies were able to shake off the tough earnings, the tough start to the year, and really produce some better than expected earnings. So could we see this trend continue for the rest of the week? Our last day tomorrow. Well, we think we could, and we think we could see a similar trading day tomorrow, where it could be mixed. We could end up with a mixed close as well tomorrow. All right, but stay tuned. This is Daryl for the DE Market Summary. You have a good day.